All right, do you want to do high roll?
Yeah.
Here we go. That's a 1, so this is a 5.
From the new.
So 8. Do you want to go first or second?
I'll go second.
Okay.
Yeah, I need to start. I do need to bring that stupid recorder so I can like see how bad my movie is.
I love these sleeves so much. I wish they were better quality, but I love them. No, because I never use them. I use my Steamboat Willies. 7.
Okay.
I'll go for 5.
Lower.
You want to put the 6 or the 3?
No, that's
Three?
good.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna drop 4.
Okay.
Good. It is what it is.
You're going second, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then cutter tap if you like. Okay. And I will start by inking a Maleficent. To play a Pawpsicle and draw a card. Go ahead.
I'm gonna ink a Merlin crab.
Did you draw a card?
Oh shit, no I didn't.
Okay. No worries. Just making sure.
Yeah. Alright. I'll still ink a Merlin crab.
Sure.
And I will pass the turn.
Okay. Draw.
Is it on the challenge or the band? It's on the challenge.
I want to keep all of this. I will ink a Let It Go. Tap to play Grandma Tala, and I will pass.
I'm gonna ink another Merlin crab.
Sure.
I'll pay 2
Yeah.
for a Merlin squirrel to the top card of my deck.
Sorry, I'm not dead.
Alright, and I'll pass the turn.
Take one and I discard.
Draw a card. Ink Fishbone Quill. I'm gonna sing with Grandma Tala, Teeth and Ambitions. It's gonna do 2 damage to the target character, and then I'll do 2 damage to Merlin.
Okay.
So when she's banished, I'll put her in my Inkwell exerted.
I look at the top card of my deck, which doesn't matter because I already
Yeah.
know what it is.
Then I will tap 3, play Judy to destroy the Pawpsicle to draw a card, and I will pass to you.
My ink is Cinderella.
Sure.
It's gonna pay 2 for a prince card. And then I'll pass the turn.
Drop. Pay 3 to play Fishbone Quill.
What is that?
Fishbone?
Yeah.
So I can exert it every turn, and I can put any card from my hand face down into my Inkwell.
Okay.
It doesn't come in exerted, so I can use it right away.
Okay. And it doesn't matter if it's inkable or not?
No.
Okay.
This one specifically, no. When it's cards like, I think, Belle from the first set, it does have to be inkable. You do have to reveal it.
Okay.
So I will exert Fishbone Quill to throw that in there. And then I will tap these 2 to play Queen. I will quest for 2. Go to 2, and then I will pass.
Queen has run.
Yes, she does.
bounces, and I get
And it bounces stuff from your side.
Alright.
yes.
Okay.
I'm gonna ink a mana Minscape.
Okay.
Pay 3 to play Benja to take out the fishbone quilt.
Sure. Just gonna read this.
I will use Prince Eric to challenge Judy Hopps.
Sure. You take 2.
Yep.
And that's it.
And I will pass the turn.
Shield of Virtue. I will challenge Prince Eric with Queen of Hearts to do 2, and I take 1. I'll pay 3, so you shield to Uninverter.
I see what I hit. Or would you?
Oh, wait, he quests for 3?
Yeah, so when I bounce a turn
Yeah.
to my hand, I gain 2 more.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
so
okay.
it'd be 3 in total.
Then I will pass.
Guess I will 8 pay 3.
I'm gonna quest for 2.
Sure.
And then,
I'm gonna put it over here so I don't get
You're okay. Yeah.
quest for 3.
And
Can I choose this one to not quest next turn? Yeah. Okay, I'll do that.
I will put these into my hand.
No, I guess
I
ink a befuddle.
Okay.
Pay 3 for Sorcerer's Spellbook.
Okay.
And then pay 1 for Fire the Cannons. Pass the turn.
Tap 5, Maui, and I will challenge here. So I take 2, and then I will pass.
She has rush, so she can challenge.
She said, yep.
I will. Well, actually, no. I'll indicate
That's 2.
Pay 2 for Marlin
Into the
Scroll.
quest, 2 for the lore. For 13 total.
Put that at the bottom.
Okay.
So I will have 21 Avengers that are for 5. This sees all of them enter the field.
And then I'll pay 1 exert to gain another word.
Sure.
I'll pass the turn.
So,
And from this Avenger card,
I think I'm gonna.
the Fishbone.
so that's 20.
Tap Fishbone. So I put this here. And then I will pass.
Yeah, wheel. On Cusco Sing.
I can still choose him even though he's not. Okay, I'll do and that's the end of my turn.
I'm gonna quest for 1.
Sure.
And then I'll pay 3 for Prince Bodyguard.
Okay.
And then I'll pay another to gain another one.
Sure. He has resists +1 or 2?
Yeah, so this +1.
Was that everything?
Like it's still
Yes.
safe.
Okay.
Right?
Draw. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7. I will Hades the prince. So he goes into your inkwell, face down, exerted. And then I will crash Maui into Merlin. So I take 2. And then I will pass.
That's a cool combo. So you play that and get 2 because you played it with this one.
Oh, he can't quest?
No, he's just rush and reckless. So reckless means he has to challenge every turn if he's able to.
Oh, right. I'll pay 3 for Arthur Wizard's Apprentice.
Okay.
Then I'll pay 1 exert.
Sure.
And I'll pass the turn.
Next turn, I'm gonna make these.
Finally, my rat. I'll play the rat to get rid of, let's do Fishbone. Draw 2 cards. Gonna quest with Hades to go to 4. Then I'm gonna tap 3 to tap shields to ready Hades. Go ahead.
I was actually gonna get rid of that.
Quest with the rest of them, and then
I'll quest for 1.
Okay.
Pay another quest again. Which I gain the lore.
Okay.
So 4 on
Pay 3 for Prince.
Sure.
And then pay 1 for Harlequin.
Sure.
That's my turn.
Okay. I'm gonna quest for 2, go to 6. I'll use 3 to use shield to ready Hades. Quest for 1, go to 7. Banish the shield, draw 2.
You could just do that whenever.
Whenever he quests and when I play him, I can destroy or I can banish an item and then draw 2 cards. A2 to play Grammatala, A2 to play Noi, and I will pass the turn.
If it was competitive REL, I probably wouldn't have. It's not.
I feel like I could do something cool, but I don't know the game well enough to figure out the order I should do things in.
Yeah, that's fair. It takes a little bit getting used to the sequencing.
Yeah. Okay. I will challenge Granmatala.
It's not exerted.
Oh shit, that's right.
Yeah, you can challenge Nero.
Yeah. Oh yeah, he doesn't have challenger, he has resist.
it says you may banish the challenging character. Like when this
Okay, yeah. I'll
character's
challenge this
challenged,
now for 1
banish.
damage.
Okay, and you take 1.
Yeah.
Oh, you have resist 1, right?
I do have
Yeah, so you don't. Yeah, you don't take anything.
Okay. will quest for
Same
one,
thing. Yeah.
Okay.
bring this back to my hand,
You get 2.
and I get 2 more. Okay.
Okay. For damage.
Pay 3 for bodyguard
Sure.
again.
Nice.
Yeah, I drew the be prepared too late.
Oh no!
Like, that was my draw. That was what I needed. That would be my only draw.
Did you just get that?
Yeah, that was my draw for this turn. But,
And how many ink did you have? Oh yeah.
Okay, then I'll pay 1 to gain another one.
Sure. Go to 12.
That
no,
would
I
have
had 4 available.
Pay 2 for squirrel.
And then after I drew the
that would have been sick. It would have been hard.
Okay, then I'm done.
Okay.
I just
the Jasper was
so when it leaves play, I should have got rid of the dice. So it's like yeah, it doesn't
Yeah,
need to be
because he
banned.
stopped you from questing.
yeah.
Wow, that goes quick.
1 card in hand.
That's the first time I've seen that.
Yeah, it's a pretty good combo.
Hades will challenge the prince. I think you live. Because
Oh, yeah,
I do 3.
resist
You have
one, so
resist.
2 damage.
So 2.
Yeah.
6 to play Lady Tremaine. When I play Lady Tremaine, you just choose who you want to banish
Once I got the first
from your board.
that board that you built with the but once I had that, I thought I would just
I'll ink Ramatala, and then I'll play 2 to 1 jump ahead. So I take my top deck and I just put in my inkwell.
Wow.
And then I will quest for 1, 2, 3, 4 to go to 11. And go ahead.
I was waiting for Big Tink to come. I was like, I just couldn't.
We had a good one last week too.
That's why I was like, I'm gonna get Pascal out of there as soon as I can. He's just Tink target. And I was short on ink. I threw away 3 on Inkables and I got 3 on Inkables back. I'm like, oh, so I got lucky with ink.
Alrighty. You could swing for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units turn.
Yes. This one I struggle with it. Oh.
And I like this. Closer deck in the middle of the deck.
Oh, that is a nice design. I want to go to the tray. Oh, I like that.
But I love that.
Alright, I will challenge. What happens if I challenge Noah? Is there anything fancy?
She has resist 1, so you do 1 damage. So I would just nothing would happen. Yeah.
But I like to play like
I don't think I could do anything.
How many is in this game?
Okay, yeah, I'll just use the prince to challenge Ganmatoma.
Sure. You have resist.
That's right.
So I play Uno a lot. You're just destroying my Uno set. So I sleep my Uno, and now it doesn't fit in its box. So now I gotta get it.
oh yeah. Yeah, I got so used to like
Do anything to get rid of anything else, I don't think.
any game.
Yeah.
And I can always like resist it like way stronger. You can shuffle the games better.
Yeah, I think that's it. I can't do
But
anything.
then I'm like cheap.
I can't do
I
anything.
sleep.
I can see.
You can see.
Like
Again.
exploded